Hi, howdy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this occasion, I'm going to talk about the owner's equity gains. The terms revenue, income, profit, and earnings refer to closely related concepts. In general, they relate to the increase or decrease, if negative, in the owner's equity, which results from operations of an enterprise. They are therefore to be distinguished from receipts, such as collection of receivables and from proceeds of a loan or bond issue, or the capital contributions by owners. The committee has examined the usage of these terms in accounting, economic, and legal literature and believes that the lack of uniformity found in practice is unfortunate and confusing. To promote uniformity of usage, the following definitions and recommendations are made for the use of these terms in connection with business operations and financial statements. The term proceed also is included in the list of terms considered. So here we have some new vocabulary. For example, owner's equity, capital de los propietarios. We have gains, ganancias, the same as profit. We have income or earnings, to say ingresos, and revenue, utilidades, and financial statements. We have here estados financieros, diferentes tipos de usos de estos términos en accounting, contabilidad, economics, en el ámbito económico y en la literatura de la abogacía. Proceeds, producto. It's a very general term used to designate the total amount realized or received in any transaction, whether it be a sale, an issue of stock, the collection of receivables, or the borrowing of money. This term is not ordinarily used as a caption in the principal financial statements and generally should be used only in discussions of transactions. Here we have an example, the ABC Incorporation's use of the proceeds statement. Here we have the net proceeds. We have $7,000,000,000. Then we have the other accounts. We have the research and development, R&D, equivalent to equal to $3,000,000,000. Then we have the proceeds of the marketing, MKT, $2,500,000,000, and salaries $1,500,000,000. This equal to $700,000,000,000. Then we have results from the sale of goods and the rendering of services and is measured by the charge made to customers, client, or tenants for goods and services furnished to them. It is also includes gains from the sale or exchange of assets other than stock in trade. Interest and dividends earned of investments and other increases in the owner's equity, except to the arising from capital contributions and capital adjustments. Este vendría siendo el término de las utilidades. Las utilidades, pues, igual a lo que son las ventas de los bienes y servicios, the sale of the goods and services. Then we have revenue, like proceeds is a gross concept, but revenue, unlike proceeds, does not include items such as amounts received from loans, owners, investments, and collections of receivables. In the case of ordinary sales, revenue is generally stated after deducting returns, allowance, discounts, freight, and other similar items, and in the case of sales of assets other than stock in trade, it is generally stated after deducting the cost of the asset sold. The revenue of a period less the cost of goods sold. Other expenses and losses will give the net results of business operations for the period. Revenue from ordinary sales or from other transactions in the ordinary course of a business is sometimes described as an operating revenue. Here we have a financial statement, a consolidated statement of operations. We have the enterprise, Amazon.com incorporation. We have some accounts here. We have the net product sales. We have net service sales, total net sales. We have the cycle year. We have, for example, here the 2015. And in comparison of the 2016 and in comparison of the 2017. For example, now it could be like 2022, 2023, and 2024. And we have another accounts here, but in this section, we are going to talk about only like net product sales, net service sales, and total net sales that we have here, the addition, the subtraction, and the total of the net sales. Where is an income and where is a profit? Well, an income and profit involve net or partially net concepts and refers of the amounts resulting from the deductions from revenues or from operating revenues, of cost of goods sold, other expenses and losses, or some of them. The terms are often used interchangeably and are generally preceded by an appropriate qualifying adjective or term such as gross, operating net before income taxes, and net. The terms are also used in title of statements showing results of operations, such as income statement or statement of profit and loss, or sometimes profit and loss account. Earnings vendrían siendo ingresos. The term earnings is not used uniformly, but is generally employed as a synonym for net income, particularly over a period of years. In the singular, the term is often combined with another word in the expression, earning power, referring to the demonstrated ability of an enterprise to earn net income. The committee is hopeful that eventually there will be a single term uniformly used to design the net results of business operations. In recent years, there has been a trend toward the term earnings, although a majority of published financial statements employ the term net income. Until one of or the other of these terms achieves pronounced preference, the committee makes no recommendation as between them. It approves the use of the term in accounting language in a connection with the concept of ability to realize net income. Here we have quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. We have like the boom and the crack, a la alza y a la baja de los earnings. ¿Qué habíamos dicho que eran los earnings? Los ingresos. And this is all the information of this presentation. Thank you very much.